Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight the Fed minutes were released and it appears that the market has found that the minutes revealed a slightly dovish tone after the Fed feels that not as many rate hikes are expected. However, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, still remains somewhat bullish as it rallies from 103.24 to a high of 103.81, and with the objective still there at 104 and currently trading around 103.80. If the dollar index can clear 104, that would give a further clearance up towards 106 to 107, and more of a bullish stance, and therefore see a lot of pressure on the markets. And talking of pressure, the Australian dollar crushes a level of 65.90 overnight and looks towards the level of 65 cents. Reassess from there, as it isn't a technical level, it's more of a pause, because the next target I view is around 63 cents as a potential target. From a weekly bias, we're getting an ADX supporting the bear case, a decline in RSI with MACD, and also from the dailies, we've got a very strong trend on the ADX as well. So it should support the downside until eventually reaching its objective, which is at present, as I mentioned, 65 cents. The euro is also nearly upon its target, which is around 107 figure 25, as it currently trades at 107.50. The market did briefly look there, but nevertheless, I do feel that a further downside move from a break would reveal the area of 106, with the trend supporting a strong case to the bear. But nevertheless, I feel there may be a little bit of struggle at 107 because there is some bearish divergence and therefore could see some defense coming in. But also we have to remember that the dollar index has to clear 104. Therefore, that would give further indication to 107 giving way and towards 106. Looking at the dollar yen case, well, the market has rallied further. And the call still holds towards 140 to 142 as we now trade at 139.40. In light of the pattern, there is a bit of divergence here, but the trend is very strong from the ADX, so I still feel that it shouldn't put too much stress in terms of supply, and demand should continue till it reaches its objective of 140 to 142. The pound crushes the level of 123.80 and now exposes the region down towards 122.70. Anywhere from 122.70.80 may find support. Nevertheless, we've got an engulfing candle that does support the bear case, a trend from the ADX, and also declining indicators to support the negative outlook. Looking at gold, the market turned back to that level of 1,951 and was respected. Still, the dragonfly, or close to a hammer, has been negated, and therefore I do believe that the market may take this level out at 1,951 to 52 and expose the region down to 1,928 to 23. Wrapping up with oil, the market did take a brief look above $74 and paused, still hanging around this area. In light of the pattern though, it could be a possible uptick and therefore moving towards $75 or even up to $76 a barrel and reassess from there. Well, that's a wrap for the day. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.